Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are you fine and safe. Today we are going to start chapter number 3. As you can see on the screen also, chapter name what is given here? Large numbers. Okay. In this chapter we will discuss above 4-digit number like 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number and so on. How to form 5-digit number, 6-digit number and how to write in expanded form also, and how to place 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number and so on in place value chart also. Okay, so let us discuss. As in previous class, you have learned up to 3-digit number and 4-digit number. So firstly, we will revise that number also. Here, smallest 3-digit number what? It is 100. We call it as 100. It means in 100 zeros, how many are there? 2 zeros. Okay. Then greatest 3-digit number what? 999 3 times. We call it as in naming word 999. If we add 1 here, then what we will get? 1000. It is called as 1000. In 1000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Okay. So it is 4-digit number. It will be 4-digit number. Similarly, greatest 4-digit number what? Greatest 4-digit number, we will write 9 4 times 9. Here you can see 9999. The naming word what will be? 9999. If we add 1 here, okay, plus 1, then what will be the answer? 1000. Okay, as here is coming 1000. Got it? So here we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 5-digit we are getting. So it is called 5-digit smallest number. And how many zeros are there in this? 4 0. And naming word 10,000. We call it as 10,000. And in place value chart, I will show this by TH. Okay. And you know very well what is the greatest 5-digit number? Here is greatest 5-digit number is 99999, means 5 times. When you are writing greatest number, write that 9 and depend on number only. Here is 5-digit greatest number, so we will write 9 times 5. Simply you can write. And naming word, what will be of this? 99,999. Okay. So required name of this word will be 99,999. Now let us take one example of 5-digit number. How to place 5-digit number in place value chart. Okay. As I have taken here one example, 64593. Here is 395 as comes in ones period. And here is 64 means 64. It is comes in 1000 period. Okay. It means we need in only 2 columns. Means at 2 period only. As I have done here. Here see. It is ones, thousand and lakhs. I have written one more period also. This first line we call as period, and in second line we call as place. Okay, in ones period, always remember it, in ones period, ones, tens, hundred, there are three places. And in thousand period, how many places? One and two, means thousand and 10,000. Got it? So here we need only two periods, because here digit is given only at ones period and second thousand period. So as you can see here, in ones place digit what is 3, tens place 9, hundred place 5. Okay, here also you can see ones place is 3, tens place is 9, and hundred place is 5 is given. Okay, it means ones period is over. Next, thousand period. In this second period, what is thousand place digit what is given 4, and 10,000 what is given 6. Okay, so remember it, in ones period 3 places, thousand period 2 places, and lakhs also 2 places, and lakhs after that will be also I will tell you. Then required number what is coming here, you can see, as I have put comma also here, 64,593, because in ones period 1, 2, 3, 3 places completed, so I have put here comma also. Then next period start 1, 2, and always start from right to left. Okay, so here required number what is coming, we call it as I have written here, we call it as 64. It is coming in 10,000 place 64,000, and 100 place it is coming 500, and tens place is 9. So 9 tens will be 90, and 3 ones will be equal to 3 ones only. Okay, so we call it as the naming word 64,593, and we can write in name word also. How we will write? Here 64,593. Here you see ones, tens, hundred. After ones period it is completed. So here we have put comma also. And next 1,000 and 10,000. And in forward side here is no number. So till here only we will put comma. Okay. Now let us discuss about 6-digit number. How to form 6-digit numbers. So here is given, as we know very well, 5-digit greatest number what? 99,999. If we add 1 here, so it is coming as 100,000. We call it as 1 lakh. And here you can see how many zeros are coming in 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are coming here. In 1 lakh are coming 5 zeros. Okay. So we call it as 1 lakh. And in place value chart, we will show by capital L. Okay. So here 6-digit smallest number what will be? 1 lakh. It is called as 6-digit smallest number. And 6-digit smallest number in Indian place system is called 1 lakh and having 5 zeros, but in international system it is called as 100,000. Okay, we can call it 1 lakh also, and according to international system we can call it 100,000. Got it? Next, here is 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number what will be? Here is 6-digit number, smallest number 1 lakh. So greatest 6-digit number, last number will be 6 times, right here 9. Here is 999999. Okay. So here we can read at is how like 9,99,999. Well, we are starting by lakh only because you can see here place what is coming ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and one more place is coming. It is called as lakh. Okay, so we have started as 9,99,999. Now I will tell how to represent means how to place 6-digit number as in place value chart also. Let us take one example. Here as I have taken one example of 6-digit number. Here it 4 5 6 7 8 4. Okay, we call it as how to we call it. I will tell you. Here is 784. What? As comes in ones period. 5 6 ones period after it is 1000 periods. So it is 5 6 as coming 1000 and left is 4. It is as 4 lakh. So here I have made the chart also. Here is ones, thousand and lakhs. In ones period places will be 1, tens, 100. In thousand, 1000 and 10,000, lakh, lakh and 10 lakh. Got it? It means in ones period 3 places are there and in thousand place 2 places are there and in lakhs place also 2 places. Lakhs period also 2 places are there. Okay, as you can see in ones period digit what is 4, tens 8, 7 is as 100 place and in thousand place what is 6, 10,000 place 5 and in lakh place what is 4. Got it? Now how do we call this number as in naming word? Here you can see place of 4 what is coming as lakh. So it will be 4 lakh and thousand place 5 6. We call it 56,000 and after 100 places 784. Got it? So naming word of this number word will be 4,56,784. Now let us discuss about 7-digit number. Similarly, as we know very well, greatest 6-digit number what is 6 times 9 is written here 999,999. We call it as 9,99,999. If we add 1 here, so what we are getting here 10 lakh. It means in 10 lakh how many zeros? 6 zeros. And in 1 lakh how many zeros was? 5 zero. Okay, so it is called as 7-digit smallest number. Naming word what is of this 10 lakh and in place value chart I will show it as TL, capital TL. According to Indian place system we call it 10 lakh, but according to international system we call it 1 million. Remember it. Okay, so smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh and then greatest 7-digit number what will be? Write 7 times 9 and naming word what will be? We call it as 99,999,999. Let us take one example of 7-digit number. How to place 7-digit number into place value chart. As I have taken one example here, you can see what is 6574872. Naming word what will be of this number? As here is written ones, tens, 100. This one as comes in ones period and here is 74. It comes in thousand period and left in here 65. It comes as lakhs period. Okay, so here we will need only 3 period as I have done here. Here ones, thousand and lakhs. In ones period, three places are there: ones, tens and hundred. Okay, thousand, thousand and 10,000. In lakh, 10 lakh and 10 lakh. So as you can see here, digit at ones place, digit what is given? 2. Tens place 7, hundred place 8, thousand place 4, 10,000 places 7, and the lakh places 5, and 10 lakh places 6. So how do we call this number in naming word also? What will be the number name of this word? 65 lakh, because place of this lakh is given 65 lakhs and 74,872. Okay, and how can we put the comma also between this? After ones, tens, hundred, one period is over, so here you can put comma, and 1,000 and 10,000 here also second period is over, then put comma. So required number here 65 lakh 74,872. Okay, why we put this comma? Why that we can easily read the number also. Got it? Similarly, we can find 8-digit number also. Greatest number, smallest number, as I am finding here. Okay, and zeros, number of zeros also. How can you find? Remember it. Okay, and in after that we will find how to write these numbers: 7-digit number, 8-digit number, 5-digit number, any more number. How to write in expanded form also, I will tell you. Let us see some example here. As I have written how to write any number into expanded form also. Okay, as I have written first example here, 35482. So it is 35,482. How we will write in expanded form? Simply firstly read the place of number. 2 is at ones place, 8 tens place, 4 hundred place, 5,000, and 3 is as 10,000 place. So firstly write 3 multiply 3 as 10,000, so 3 multiply 10,000 plus 5 is given 1,000 place, so 5 multiply by 1,000. 4 is 100 place, so 4 multiply 100. 8 is tens place, so 8 multiply 10, because 1 10 is equal to 10. Okay, and 2 is at ones place, so 1 is equal to ones is 1 only, so 2 multiply by 1. Now simply 2 multiply, here will be 3 multiply by 10,000, it will be 30,000. Simply you can do one digit only, first digit multiply. 5 1 5 and 3 0 are there. 5,000 plus 4 1 4 and 2 0 are there. 8 1 8 and 1 0 is there, and 2 1 2. So required answer what is coming? 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 2. As you can see here, number of zeros also decreasing here. Here are how many 0? 1 2 3 4 4 0. Here are 3, here are 2, and in 80 is 1 only, and last one no 0 is there. Okay, similarly we can do next part also. As here written 5 4 6 3 4 7. Firstly read the name of this number. Naming word what will be? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So it will start by lakh. So here is 5,46,347. Got it? You can put comma also after this. 5,46,347. We can write as it also. Okay, so here 5 is given at lakh place, so 5 multiply by lakh, 5 lakh plus 4 multiply 4 is given at which place? 1,000, so here multiply by 1,000. 6 is given in 4 is given at 10,000, so here is 4 multiply by 10,000, and 6 is given 1,000 place, so 6 multiply 1,000. 3 is given 100 place, so 3 multiply by 100. 4 is given at tens place, so 4 multiply 10, and 7 is given at ones place, so 7 multiply by 1 will be here. Okay, now do simply do multiply. 5 1 are 5 and 0 how many are there? 5. 4 1 are 4 and 0 how many there? 4. Okay, here zeros are only decreasing. Here are 5, here 4, here will be 3, 6 1 and 3 0 and 300 2 0, 4 times 40 1 0 and last one no 0 here. Okay, similarly we can do this example also. 5 8 9 8. Firstly read the place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 5 is given at 1000 place, so multiply by 1000. 8 is given at 100 place, so multiply by 100. 8 multiply by 100. 9 is given at tens place, so 9 multiply 10. 8 is given ones place, so 8 multiply by 1. Okay, so here 5 multiply 1000 will be 5000. 800 plus 90 plus 8. Got it? Similarly, you can do other example also. You can write other number also in expanded form. And as I told you how to place of any number into place value chart also, that also you can do easily. Firstly write the number into place value chart, then arrange number into expanded form also, and then find the naming word also. Okay, so till for today this is only, and in next video I will start exercise 3rd A. So till now, thank you students. Have a nice day.